Welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative on the Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. Today we have with us Professor Tasneem Mirza, Assistant Professor of Computer Engineering Department and Alumni Interaction in charge at Tharoor Shahani Engineering College, Mumbai. Welcome to the show, madam.
Thank you.
I'd like to begin the session by asking you to give a brief introduction of yours, ma'am, to enlighten the audience.
I'm working as an assistant professor in Tharoor Shahani Engineering College, and I'm the alumni professor in charge of TSEC.
Okay, ma'am. So let's begin with the interview. My first question for you is, you have been associated with the education industry for so long. What has kept you connected with the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with TSEC?
Okay, so I firmly believe that for the growth of any country, education sector is the key to success. It can change the way it can change a person's life. So my passion for teaching is something that keeps me going in the sector. And as for my experience with TSEC, it's a very special bond because I have completed my undergrad studies from TSEC. And also, I have been associated as a faculty. I've done my post-graduation in TSEC, and I'm also currently pursuing my PhD from TSEC. So it's a very special bond, and it's like a second home for me. And regarding the atmosphere here, it's a very healthy atmosphere among teachers, between students and teachers. Teachers are very approachable. And also we have a concept of mentoring students. So a group of students are assigned to a teacher. So the students can approach the teacher for any problem to the concerned teacher.
Okay, ma'am. So moving ahead to the next question. Being the alumni interactions in charge of TSEC, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students and the institute?
Okay, so we have a TSEC alumni web portal and we have an app. So I manage it along with Unified Network. So they are managing the app and the portal. So this platform helps the alumni to interact. And also as my responsibility includes handling any queries coming from the alumni and also making sure that the database of the alumni is up to date as students graduate year after year. And also organizing alumni events. So far we have organized 2 alumni events, which were a great success in terms of teachers, in terms of students.
Okay, ma'am. So this leads me to the third question. How does the curriculum of TSEC ensure the best practice of industry for its students?
Okay, so basically we are bounded by the curriculum of Mumbai University. But yes, we have in every subject, we have mini projects, and final year also we have projects for students. So we make sure the students are in tune with the latest technology, they apply what they learn, and also they follow the best industry practices which are currently used.
Okay, ma'am. So moving ahead to the next question. How does the program ensure that the students here at TSEC are being prepared for the future?
Okay, so we at TSEC believe in all-rounded development for each and every student. We don't want our students to excel only in academics, but we want them to be prepared for other areas also like communication skill, team spirit, leadership skills, organization and planning skills. So this is made possible with the help of clubs and committees in TSEC. Like TSEC is known for having a lot of committees. So we encourage students to join these committees, to organize events for these clubs, for these committees. And in doing so, we make sure that these skills which are required to face them ahead in life are actually incorporated, are inbuilt in the students.
Okay, ma'am. So moving ahead to the next question. Can you shed some light on the alumni network here at TSEC?
On the alumni, we have a portal which is an active platform for TSEC to stay connected with our alumni. So through this portal, we faculty, we also come to know how our alumni are faring with respect to which company they are working, what designation they are, and also we regularly post our college updates, college activities on the portal so that the alumni get an insight of the progress of a college. And also this forum, this platform actually helps the alumni to exchange ideas not only in acads but also on cultural and social issues of the day.
So my next question to you, ma'am, is how does the programs offered to students at TSEC ensure that they are being prepared for the future?
Yeah, so as I said, TSEC is one of the best places to be in for an overall development, right? We believe development not only academically but also in other areas, as I have said, in terms of communication skill, in terms of team building, and so on. So generally, what we find is that technical students generally lag or are not prepared so well in maybe leadership skills or maybe communication skills. So what we do is we help them, we motivate them to organize events. For example, we have a lot of hackathons we are organized in our college, where students are made to think out of the box. They are given a problem domain and they're supposed to build a solution in 24 hours. Then we have project expos in our college, where we invite people from the industry to evaluate the projects, to give the guidance. So all these help them to build a personality overall.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question to you is, what are the benefits and career options for students here at TSEC after pursuing a degree from there?
Okay, so basically career options in TSEC, most of the TSEC students, I would say more than 70% of the TSEC students pursue MS, and many of them also go for management degree. So and after pursuing MS, they are placed in one of the best companies like Facebook, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and so on. So there are immense career benefits for students, for TSEC students especially.
So my next question to you, ma'am, is what would you like our audience to know more about TSEC, which they may not know?
Okay, so we see when we say TSEC. As I've told you, any student who joins TSEC, from the first year itself, we encourage them to join the clubs and committees. For example, we have coding clubs, then we have IETE, we have ISTE, we have CSI. So there are so many clubs here, and we make sure that they join the clubs. And they organize events for the institute. In this way, their marketing skills are also developed. When they interact with the sponsors, communication skills are developed, organization skills are developed, leadership skills are there, planning skills are there. And that helps them not only to develop academically, but also on non-academic goals.
Okay, let me ask the final question for the day, ma'am. Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yeah, so my suggestion would be that, when you say computer engineering, you want to learn a lot of subjects. For example, you have networks, you have machine learning, you have deep learning, you have security, you have cryptography. So develop core competency in at least one domain. Find out what are your personal strengths, find out what are your personal weaknesses, work on your weaknesses, because these 4 years are going to prepare you to face the world. These 4 years are going to shape your future.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you very much, madam. This was certainly an insightful session.
Okay.
Yeah. So everyone, this was Professor Tasneem Mirza, Assistant Professor here at Computer Engineering Department and Alumni Interactions in charge of TSEC Mumbai, on today's episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. Thank you very much, ma'am, once again for giving us your time and speaking to us amidst a busy schedule.
Thank you. Thank you.
We look forward to interact with you again. Thank you.